Go to the ball, go up, go back, go.
The annual Culmore Soccer Camp has been in operation for about 20 years. And it started as a community-based program, and due to its popularity and growth, it really became fully funded here in the Culmore area. The camp operates here at Bailey's Elementary School, right here on the turf field, adjacent to the Woodrow Wilson Library. The camp incorporates individuals from ages 5 to 16 years old. The camp operates daily, Monday through Friday, from 1 to 4 p.m. And the best part about the whole camp is the camp is 100% free.
Come on, slow.
It's important for these young student athletes to stay engaged in opportunities to be athletic and avoid a sedentary lifestyle, because they can be exposed to a variety of other factors here in the community that are detrimental to what we want them to be overall. So coming out here and getting the opportunity to participate in the camp that's going to develop them socially and physically is the best opportunity for them to be successful. Well, we have Arcadia Farm Share that comes out and offers fresh fruits and vegetables to this community. It's a great partner that we've been able to bring in for this summer's camp. We also have a nutritionist through the Fairfax Food Council that's offering high-level nutrition training during our cooling stations when we go inside the Woodrow Wilson Library to our kids. Well, we appreciate all the partners who have been able to support us here at the Culmore Soccer Camp, and we look forward to continued collaboration in the future years coming. And for more information about the Culmore Soccer Camp program, please visit our website.